Your Excellency, you kasa about the Juma also wait to me create about 1 million jobs. If you're not there, you say 250,000 jobs. What opponents also say? One within some short time, I'm the NAPCO buy. I'm going to farm 100,000. Into one that short period,
I say 100,000. Sometimes we say 80,000.
I'm say 100,000.
60,000.
It is 100,000 one patch. So within that short time, to be 100,000, create 100,000 jobs. Now say, oh, the 1 year be created 250,000 jobs. And they say, oh, dear, no, should they need you know so paper.
No, but NAPCO and a sustainable job, a artificial job creation. What I say, a transit quarters. And kwadano ho, omuni ejuma, onimnya ode ombe. Into for the meantime, yen creative way, the information. It is a national service. National service and ejuma. And I'm just saying, into my free school now, omuni ejuma no. The information na nearly almost 700 cedis a month. Baby, tifi, omuni at the end of the month, na 700 about no agility. What I say? Until those are not sustainable jobs. Yeah, kasa about sustainable jobs. And Crawford bet to me and who said we are working and this is the income we are earning. What I say? Until NAPCO, Nasa every government was annual money, youth employment. At the end of the month, 300 and 400 and BB. And no, and yeah, your friend artificial job creation, and I know a temporary and yet permanent jobs. Send up to be graduate into graduate a juma ben no. You understand? Because omu ye napko omo kwa still who need a juma omo. Enti nyaka say omo ye napko trainees say you better transit omo into permanent jobs because share at least in the public sector you bet me about 50,000 jobs a year. Yeah, human resource gap analysis. You who say we can absorb about 50,000 into the public sector every year. Into omo omo napko no you better transit omo into the public sector. Near for arbitrary, what I say. Into while they are doing the NAPCO AE, you are transiting them into permanent jobs. And that's what I can say. But the point is, economy need, naturally a creative jobs within the system. Because say ejuma eko ye, to say kwabna ebia uwo ejuma bi na economy no enyi na sika ewo krom ni ade. Say ube tre ejuma no. What say with Jumano so? Obey here more hands. And so the more people beba. A crane near Sika or cotton ebia factory eto or two ne bunch ya na factory biato. And now or try ne bro na obiato. What I say to Jessica. The next year Becca say, oh, me farm no. It's some po mammy ye being kahon. What I say? Now Ocasa obey ye be akanwa. Obey here more labor, more hands. Into Emma Ejumaba in the system and no sustainable jobs. And yeah, youth employment, NAPCO ne nasefo.
I know a Britia BD. Yeah. Your Excellency, when someone who will be a Hokoswa after education, your education was with the young fan remuneration. It's about free senior high. Yes, Oba also be Gunu.
Governor Cancer.
Yes, Oba free senior high be Gunu. Campaign who do I call you say. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama says so Oba Obegu free senior high Kora Eddie Free Ho. O can the same. Send our patch a free senior high.
Kwabna, unim say near politics city. Nyankasa minim say unim say a politics na nipa de. Nyameka say some be man pinya. Free senior high na challenges home, especially a double track assembly. And o share even Eduania and Kwadani the system of feeding problems home. Say headmasters no ne educationists back na abang a yomwedi and I say a transfer into Nipan Kasa. Into with all the challenges no Yeguswa yeah. Recently assessment by saying your free senior high, you're the most expensive in the world. I just say Sika also in terms of waste. And in a way, improve the quality of the free senior high. What you saying? And to make us say, you be free a wofono, you free a teacher for, you free educationists, and they obia, you better chance, you share implementation no. Send a AC call, send a beya, you bet me amana aye better. And to me say, we'll call a stakeholders conference to review the implementation so far. send a we can make it better. Now review now me kind no. Share dictionary meaning of review. A formal assessment of something with the intention of instituting change if necessary. Into we assessment of implementation. And then I to sing a womb. Send a bear a bit me ateneno na etimi papa. Me can review we and a MPP for afa say abolish na lawyer Kukudam to say Omampeni Akufo-Addo. Or say on the entire about review and say ube ye free home. It just shows a lack of credibility, a lack of sincerity. What do you say? Because you say it's a chrome question. What do you say? Nyansa nini oba Akufo team. She get fund like the buy. When baby a get fund fee. Abrap Spiogabra, Minister of Education, offer a conference on funding education in Ghana. Awo for buying, teacher for buying, National Union of Ghana Students, TUC, OBIA, na a big conference, International Conference Center. Sam Menonami, Minister of Communications, in the make conference, maybe. Yes, our conference, no, and you say, oh, I don't know talk 10% and talk, Bibia, Obia, Betobia, Yamfangu get fund, money, Yamfan finance education. Me say, Anka get fund and ma, Anka Bibia, yeah, additional edruno, Anka Ndru Bibia away. Because we share almost all the infrastructure, your schools, from university right down, and you get fund sika, and you're there. Into our conference, and they get fund idea by. Into your case, Obiama, Awofo, they are not happy with this double track. Into your case, Awofo, teacher formula, education simbra, TUC formula, National Union of Ghana Students formula. SHS no so far ya implementing muhu ne saying. Obian for na dream ra send a bit me a year amana ye better. Asami amika ni. Ena yanum edinam. Osi oba obetwem. One a bit me twem. Our constitution mo. The constitution say the state shall make secondary education progressively free. It is a share say aban be na bit me abaka say they be against the constitution ye tia sign. FQ ba ya implementing. Aban be bit me abe cancel FQ. Yeah. FQ be free Rawlings abreso and a back of abreso. Kufo na implement here. Aban for be me abaka say FQ no ye free ho. It's not possible. And so ye cheap politics in tea. Omodenam. Oh, mama ba obey free SHS free ho. Ye may ye free ho and a double track no. Because me wa formula meet me ye double track no. And then the way. Schools na yes no. Ye who say started free SHS na. Schools na ewo ho no omu ni enough facilities say on be absorb enkwada no. Enti na me ka say ye be e-blocks. I be see 200 of them. Ebi a ye see ye no anka double track no be worse simple because ye wie 43 bebre enkwada wom na school bi atimi fa enkwada be 1000. What I say enti 43 mpo a ye wie no yanka se enkwada ewo mu. That's 43,000 children capacity. Inti Ebema schools na ewo ho no enye congested because right now existing schools no ebi dormitories no esa inti ekona no bro dormitories no so inti oba yesi kwai ni dormitory inti na o say okọ school no ekohwe landlords ewo ho na opɛ dan bi ede ma oba ekotenem na akwada 15 years and 16 years wako krobi so okọ school no akọ high dan amano uye menhyehyɛ enti na make say ye ba ye schools na yesi no make a pray make hu school back ye wie 100% complete akase ye de nkunya besim ama nkwada akotenam 4 years ni school ni sion enti ye ba sa schools ni na ye be wie ni tem ya ye bia ka ho ni America ne say even schools na ewo ho na existing secondary schools no abra ye schools no ye dia asase ne kese what you say enti yanka say school bi minim example amema yanka say West Africa Secondary School no me dey example that West Africa Secondary School omo wo asase a egu ho enne nkrofo encroach enti ye the e-block no ba ku si West Africa Secondary School asase so a immediately you expand the capacity say ebetimi afa nkoda because West Africa Secondary School Adenta Madina Oyarifa area ho nyina ehona nkwada ne free Epkosa school no Into the e-block number ku si ho a betimi afa 1,000 more students e was our school no what I say into a strategy I had be no yeah the e-blocks ni be ebcc you know on some of the secondary school lands baby ankofo doors a omo per school ni bi akọ hwani am ye wo kwabenya eda me bi school no na school na yema because time ye bi school no na omo ye computer placement and awofo ni bi e wo do me kwabenya ho ye say ne banko Kukurantumi ana Boko ana Laura Secondary School ono so person ne baba ko ho enti ye bie community day school no e wo kwabenya the day am bie school no na school na yema esi ba ko frafra ha ko hwe eno so ayema you understand enti see it me yes schools in tema within 1 year double track ne betimi free ho ma she Ghana for bo se free SHS no me baba ye ni ye na me show mo boss say me ba within 1 year double track a friend the traffic lights no ye be ye free ho aside from that enkwada no eduane di enye eduane no nye because of system omo edi aba no buffer stock and edi eduane no ma schools no but can it na headmasters no principals no omo na ye in charge of feeding the students into the feeding grants no ma omo na omo nya contractor for normal supply no mutiaka sometimes simple say feeding grant number emaya contractors no to me supply and maybe a baby dia na etua omoka nso afi yesi omonje eduane no free buffer stock eto de bia eduane no mai nti o say headmaster no ko free eduane ana say ope ni sika nya say nkoda ni ndidi na ya the contract no for feeding ama party for ni ade sometimes we share quality of the food na nenye nti awofo no bebre say nkoda no ko school this onya cho box na otogari na to sardine na to sa provisions no air box ne ma ansa na abofra na timi akro school sometimes eduane no enno so nti ekom na abofra o se onko sua de se kom de na ontimi sua se na o sipe nti sa nyoma ni nyina anka yin na ahia ene pensen ho a anka be nya solutions to most of those problems sa na me kan ya eja MP before Edenam say me say me ba me cancel free SHS na me say me the private schools so be kan ho because me call elubo mu ni senior high omo private senior high na ye de free SHS by nti awfo nyina be yi omo ma e free private school no e de omo call public schools na because government school any elubo no omo de omo ma call half a senior high school and a school be a ben hono nti ama private school no enkwada no enim biom enso anka aban de sa school na kan ho a anka enkwada na ewo elubo no omo nkoka omo half a senior no so ombenya school akọ ewo elubo ho nti ebema congestion na ewo half a senior high no abafom nti me say me the private schools ebeka senior high school free senior high no me then eka say me cancel free senior high
na free senior high yes na say campaign e ko ba che say wo so na the free senior high ba
oh say mo TV mo channel yeti hey me who say ye kire eda me launch a progressive senior high progressive senior high eye omo tro constitution consultative assembly ordinary people of this country omo ena de buy because we share in constitution one almost within 15 years of the coming into force of this constitution there shall be free compulsory universal basic education in Ghana into I know this shall say Rawlings they shall say but eventually you implement it Kofo Abreso the final preparation for F-Cube AC Kofo Abreso into F-Cube there and on the capitation grants by and at the next year almost say the state shall make secondary education progressively free. And we are the next one. Into a idea yanya Ghana for call consultative assembly the shame.
Okay.
Into me launch a progressively free senior high education in Ghana. Me launch in 2015. And me launch here, the video is there. I declared it officially launched and we started. They're starting day students. And at the following year, the boarding students become home. So our share budget statement for 2017, omo capture ewomu. say budget for free senior high from the previous year. How much sika you're spending on free senior high? Minister of Education Napo Onankasa also me janeka na 39 million mentua and I'm the free abaimu 39 million for free senior high mentua and I'm the free abaimu free senior high bank.
Okay. And I know I say Miss, and I am question for us. I said, "Bakwa who can once someone also be who am I gonna move bra or prono?" And they say, "Obey Ukada, Ukada Jumobe ni free." A man for say, "Hey, when any asamabo, we patch up say obey legalizing ama Ukada no emra abaho na omotumi ayo majuma said there's almost see a no. What does Sujina be original no?
Kabla yen legalizing no and kwada no monye.
Omoye.
Yen legalizing no, I did not omunye Okada business. Omunye. And so, I didn't yen legalizing. Na yetimi hu omunye business no, ni yetimi regulate omu. I didn't yen yesa. Because right now, who motor biya na nipa mienu tim so. Untimi hu say a private motor, say a commercial motor, untimi hu. Announce ya saying. Na untimi enforce it because enye legal. Inti omo area and omo ye by the law. Oko police station now ko hwe motorcycles are yachi egu ho. Ko police station bia a shaman and a baby ube hu se motos egu ho chese police for asizi e di abegu ho because omo ye Okada business. Na edwuma ni ho. Wenso na mabunu no ye enya omo kakra e de hwe omo ho. Okada for omo bro hundreds of thousands are a better means of livelihood for some people. What I say? And so the question is, I didn't legalizing, yen regulating. Motorcycle, you bet to be the BB abon. So the open who say, way your commercial, your Okada, way your private. But yen legalizing, no, you cannot identify them. But you legalize here. Either say best some number plate, and now you the biba bomb motor no. And so who motor now, open who say, oh, way a Okada. What I say? Now, you train your mo. Say, who do traffic light at Gina? You are not supposed to ride in the middle of the road. Car say by air court, now, oh, and fin. Car be born attraction. What I say? And the way to ride a motorcycle safely, no, I was here at Omo. Omo, person, me commercial, no. Send a bear and quenchia a ya et no. NCBO. Now, yet me educated driver for also say motorcyclists are road users. What you mean a driver ni or who's a motor one in Nima? Now, I say in he now also won't show home and my men blessing. On some kakana or obedieti. And so motor one. I was so who says I'm motor net is a car or winning. And so being one papa, one show you know about that actually. What I say? Inti say legalize it near training quadano. No mudi and man so. Traffic regulations or do traffic light at Wajina. What I say, near to me who say wear a commercial or share helmet, your teenage share helmet, your insurance policy be, send a bear a quencher BSC, to me a claiming insurance be. Those are the kinds of things we must do. I mean, believe it say it's more progressive rather than say yeti ebe share annuamu say illegal. And so there cost.
Yes, share assembly I see and saying from Ante Musa and Crofuya. Almost sorry, some person much more and who some sorry baby, Asrafo Kugu Bibrea, Mokan was some kind. Oh, tia so a can't be said. A bandit actually, security for a national security for the Biomotachiri, a yes, I am an Ingina. Sasamono, a binum say, and said I am no correct. One my casa, one some more can know, and do you been at the mom?
I am Ampegina. I've been commander in chief of this country before. My chairman of National Security Council Secretary at that. Meaning, senior your security services here. Meaning, omo performance. Meaning, level of omo competence. Se pa se ni si Volta region no. E yomu putu pro. Minjindi. It's either they become so efficient after I left office. And as there are two options. Sana Mikain. Either say, me fee Abaimoma is so inefficient. Within 4 years, mean to me, say, a state institution can become so inefficient. And I say, Omunim Hubi. Until me person the GD say, inefficient. It is inefficient. And yet, they know something about it. Until they should prove to me, say, and yes, say, Omunim Hubi. And so, either say, Omujuman so any bium, and I be. What am I saying? Because, so I was in Togolandi, and yet, then I shall say, if we, Oman Penny for Bresso, Kakra no more pigeon, Mupa, Kakra more pigeon. And so I know the kind statement be say UN a year, almost year, no, you say after 50 years, I'll say a sign you normal decide this on person, Omokagana, one, I say, on person, one, Casa, Omo year, Omo. But UN Charter no be in the Musa. Yeah, plebiscite once and for all. One person will join the Ghana at independence and I'm on pay, almost your pay, and almost the Bekan. As Bibia ni UN Charter no more, I say after 50 years, on Betimia Bibia. Charter no ho, Google you see it. Plebiscite no results are omo vote any Bibia. Na ne ento asumpo ni say Bibia omo yes ani omano na nka Transvolta Togoland home. Uko soga kope ho no mo na soga kope ho kan Ghana ho. Anglo keta ho nyina ka Ghana ho. Efri pando e kosro e ho baby up to as a northeast corner ho eno nana eye Transvolta Togoland. Na nipa o say oye president of Western Togoland mpo on free sa Transvolta Togoland. What you say? Enti e wo mo na omo abekenya omo kakra. What you say? But government kept dealing with it. But mentia say Nana Akufo-Addo aban kwa bae. Na ube training, military training. Na yetwa ho video. Western Togoland omo si omo flag then na security say yakwache sa nipa no. Near the Oma bank crying. The Oma bank cry, ya the Oma Kojina court. Ya bet ya see a discharge you na so mon sanko. Hey. It is uncle for now no mu trainer mo se mo achi omo. Menti me anche ba kompo a mo de ne be gina court. Na mo trying for treason because secession is treason. A high crime against the state. What do you mean say as I buying the diagro? As I buying the diagro. What I say? Because ye na ye hu video na mo training. And security back chair say yakoche enkrofo no yeti nipa be 30 and I say no mo do so enti enka say be by mistake na mo chi omo enti say 30 nipa mo chi ye no back one na mienu bi you couldn't prove say omo eka ho e no mo ye ne omo ye meanwhile you hu pictures you some of them no mo kata omo ni you hu omo commanders ni ade enti and plus
wadwunu mo ye wo na wo ba
me baby am gina no enemy experience as commander in chief Chairman of the National Security Council Secretariat, Bibi and Koyu.
Yamra be himself when Yabra who prequire cover every day, but Yamra over Matinamidu. I buy I am share ye on by Hanty and this fool affair and I say. Also the Indibra to a Japan same ya. I don't know Chilcon or Sunday, I do a title say Airbus and same be and also whom. Ewu mubi so government official one ayewa ejapa deal no matenami do ball ba ye kwa woko ene wo nsem a wo de bebata anwe no asembe na kaka ho to for
oh say nyame me kan no efa report bia odipie efa ejapa ho na wahwe ejapa ensem ni mu a ordinary report eba ye friend corruption risk assessment na report na odi command no na ode we ebe shemu enti na wo hwe a say mantia say ode eno shemu because wo ye we a Japan na why Japan report now the ama ebia say why investigate Airbus now the Airbus report akoma why investigate Galamsey eya na was submitted but say was submitted report now wo dey asem foforo bi abe shemu no as say ye beka ho asema ye equalize ye say oh Japan say but embo so ye say Airbus say what you saying nti na me feel say enye ne kwan so a nti mekasa hashly kakra nipa bebre wanga because me nipa mekasa sa but market you no enya dia me pese me so but say ordinary juma eto ho no so nipa Matiami do ya it was obvious that Sabisi because nipa or you're very rigid twika some beka rigid saying
so obia ojina ba no jina ho no jina otumi nyen so wo twi na fi wo baby a sade ni to time
onye nipa or you're flexible beka ne say
obia wa mre na obetumi ade na for baby akeke
mre so
obia ne ho go kakra
ne ho ngo enti na minim say sa na beba no because ejuma omode ne ko shemu wo hwe se ne omo ye mra no a ontimi nya hwe ayet akwai se kraman a owo se a uhu na obeka se kraman oye kraman a how do they say back
opo
what you say and so esin ni nenum omo tutu na sin nyina if you say o hwe mra na omo de buy no special prosecutor no ntimi nya hwe without the approval of the board na board amano kwa ntimi nya nti se board amano kwa obey investigation obey bibia so board amano kwa so on prosecute obi on ntimi prosecute apart from that setting up the office was a problem only investigators only nya a bit mi ama office na functional ntimi me gidi ni say Akufo-Addo share boss say obey office of the special prosecutor nor did the corruption fight court to another level until now was say oye to fulfill that promise but say pass say or pese office ni ejuma non pese office ni ejuma and wo hwe ni Matiami do kan
yes say abregu
oh I was say yes sam ran kakra na nipa obekọ office no ye ma no kwan no timi ye na ejuma eno ebeyi president efi sa corruption nyoma no what I say because uja offices no mu ye ejuma obi abehu say enye president ena edi wachi what I say it is a minister akoye bibi na special prosecutor tata na obehu say a special prosecutor say office ni independent and para what I say but obi himself office ni independent it is a special prosecutor tata na obeka say o president na person oyinedi what I say she galamsey asemi nipa ba ko a ye de so bobo no wo sa galamsey asem no ye chi no video so a ogisika na oye adwuma wo president office Jubilee House so ye the petition come special prosecutor and then aban and tem omo report case no CID say CID investigative and the special prosecutor investigate sa case no no mo de ama CID so ye hwe ya CID the report about I say omo nya hwe omo clear omo one political interference no it was just to frustrate say ombe frustrate special prosecutor no so that ontimi enko ahead with sa case no you see so sa ni omo ni na ekoso ontimi who say there is no political will in the fight against corruption because ohwe nipa omo ka ho ene katasehye ne proye na omo ben president ni nuamo ne cousins ne den PDS ote tape wanti gabi ne also on president nua Bumpty a omo negotiate omo ne nipa baako say ne shares no on farm reform and also they be on pene nia ogina no ogina and I'm so into one pene mafom or say they be mafom yet on voices she PDS asemi basa ebesi na ECG sika 200 million ewo commercial bank bi ene ewo interest baso and aban ya afaichi akache PDS one say omonfa ono aban enko court ti asemi very serious aban ankasa epia PDS one say omonfa menko court
na no page den
oh say court di ma omo
judgment debt na
say wrongful termination of contract what I say na 200 million no any near abeka ho no mo akofa na uma pursue government for judgment debt PDS asemi ensan yo ye bi wom is still going to come to haunt us
mehwe akire behwe ne aka no ho asam na ye be ni nti ana mesem no so wo ko ba bi nso nti Yahweh Kanman Page Jerry Rollins, be his soul is in perfect peace. Wunimuno. To ye, and then said ya unimuno, what think I saying? I want the home. Na fe yemfa aboba kunkun mam you know. Ono a founder of your party. Or then the year Nana Kunedra Rollins. He said Nana Kunedra ten home. Papa G, I know come home. I bet you I can no Sujina Hono, or no Winnie way. I didn't know ye, therefore say, Nana Kunedu. Much on a movie say, Omra back. Now me come home. Said they are not better than one.
Oh, near the kind, say, you found that President Rawlings wono. Yeah, dear. One way, it's just shocking. Shocking, what can I say? You won't dream because Obien Susu say, Sani Besi. What I say? Because Yanena, Nemami ye, you could fear command Yako. Na uhuni pa te hono enya dia obesusu se nemre aso what I say ne mamie ye nyina yekokita ho ekoma ne yakọ ekoja ne mame kwan na me fikita ebaaye no na me be kwa Ashanti region na me te say yes no ho fa no kakra enti na assistant back your friend Dr. Gumenu enti me friend Dr. Gumenu I say, oh, say na mati. I say, oh boy, on Tiapo Papa. I say, oh, David. Name am ye no. Obre kakra inti doctors nese on beji na home no more observing on near there. And inti me fan say, oh, normal eyi. Na ye de call Ashanti. And ye start ya problem. Ah, inti anopano. Na ye ko buase akoye rally. Na obi friend say nesi. I say how? It's not possible. Say normally, nipa that's a need there. Say rumors need to be back. What I say? Obiti ni baby ni. I can say, hey, sir, I see me say one. I say, me say, wait them in Jindi. And say, me find me phone, me friend back me no. Me friend I say, oh yes, we are taking by your confirmation. And I finally me a family member back home. And I'm say, ah, at the end of the I say, oh, where there? I are home, so I no credit. And I'm saying, oh. And see, we were all so shocked because enya dia Yesusu say ebesi Sam Reno. And see, I know Enanche or a founder na Rawlings or ma yenina akwenya ye dia bedru baby ya bedru. Me a young na me about 37, 38 and me jina parliament, me ba parliament. And Obi Ekwai Mami, me Deputy Minister of Communications. If you have a minister. And nipa mabeye se mabeye President of Ghana. Anka nye Akwenya Rawlings de Mami. Anka mene unte ha. Ebi anka by now mete ekrebi wo mikrom. Me do anadibi. And oye nipa. To me personally, I hold him in high esteem. Onye perfect, nipa bia anya perfect. What I say, and menka say bibia ena yenene ya adwen. There are sometimes na yenene ya adwen. For instance, na me Professor Mills, Vice President. What I say, enti me loyalty here to President Mills. What I say, enti to de bia ebia na one Rawlings ni President Mills. Omo adwen enye pe. They disagree on something. I mean to me free President Mills echi and co support President Rawlings. What am I saying? And there are sometimes disagreements or home, but many times also we were happy. We came together. Make a story. Be sent me befa Professor Nana Jane. Me no continue say. I mean, very nice. The next day I say me mra tefle yenum coffee. Na yen kan sem nkosi. You know. Omo mitimi ko ne fie. Ebia bibi a fa party no ho na mene no ekosusu ho nti me frɛ chairman yenko founder ho nti nipa bebre nim saade emu feel say yene no ntokwa ne ade eto de bia ebia oka bibi e fa party no ho na party enkwada no ne ede afi social media ba obia etimi tro bibi opebia you have no control obi tro something ni din en on use ni din po no atro bibi aha nti no sa ensem no party bi e wom but me feel say nipa they had a positive impact on Ghana and you may be a see but ohwe overall baby odi Ghana free e de Ghana bedru you know he did very well because me 1983 na me university na me national service me nim senya na Ghana city and there are a lot of things that yen kwada it take for granted because omo hu baby are free by na Rawlings for 19 years ono kuta omani and share positively me make say history will judge him kindly.
What ya kona me kanana kuna do mo person stand back mo need edi hu nko.
Well say party open nipa dodo about party mo na oye founder ere nti say ade a oye na adwen say obeba aden e beje no but ono so akotiniko owo nipa ewo kuo no nti say beba no say age say omo ni omo kuo form but menjin dey say ebia ade a opese oba because o hwe abato aye komui ono so age na nti won timi ka say ono nja na ombeta ichi but ebia you never know. In future, anything can happen.
Yeah, because na yedimu say yebeto aba century for say yakobo dawuro. Afei IGP abeka ewo Peace FM say bambofo ebeko no national security for eni ho kwan say ombeko polling centers. Sa security arrangement no ma ye no. Wo no mo ye adwene sa.
Oh yes. Because national security any operational wing of the security services. Omampenyi Akufo-Addo na abedani bibia abutu. What you say? Abraham ye mampenyi national security for omo nkuta to. What you say? Omo coordinate is a coordinating body. Omo coordinating security services no. Enti BBC a na beka say BBC wo ha. Monfa 1 battalion enko ha. Police force monye ready. Ambulance service munko jina on standby in case of national security eduma no. And then apart from the omo quality BNI ni ade into omo de omo asoto form say betimi esi na omo akache aban say aban wo hwe ha the way anyoma si ko basabasa yo betimi aba ha enti yembo ho ban national security eduma no. And so every time Akufo-Addo ban wafa the invisible forces the Delta forces the omo nyina ko rem into omo nyina kuta national security card they kuta pistols Omkuta AK-47s, any ade. What you fear near say national security is national security has come to arrest you. National security doesn't arrest people. One person will arrest you, send the BNI and as a police. What you are saying? Inti wadani the whole security architecture ebutu. National security ni etimi threaten officer in uniform. Who video no? Ewo kuma say police ni oshe ni full uniform. Obisha Mufti okuta peso and not threaten policeman. Na nyayam our home say soldier for ni police for ni bi wo ho. And na omo pa na chon. Omo pa sa akwe chon say onjan na he should calm down, you know.
Ensem bebre.
Ma breson ke be hu ne ni so en. Ankona kasa onye bio.
O me bio. Your Excellency ebraso na
na ye no kwahwe ni si na no yi
temade yi
meso mo convoy mo national security for and na soldier wa ma mo kwan enti esifo ma bro no e dey handcuffs ato no ne sem I mean who born dog ama moral of security services no conform police for soldier will be a moral form because akoye say we page national security as some independent operational presidential force what you say Enyema omaino. Yes, national security go back to a more original role of coordination. Now you page the morale and discipline in the army and the police and the other security agencies.
Aka don't sure be aduana nwotwe na ekoto aba ebi kure nu be aduanu be aduasa bi na ekoto aba. Ghana fo wakugina se yansanto so aba ne sabe mampani bio. enti egya ho kwane de ama wo o camera ni si wani mu no eden na wo ka ede acha Ghana for so begina so na wo nso enfanto abanema na sambe mampani bio
say ade ba ko a ye hwe so ede to aba ene gidi a wo ewo nipa no na o hwe a efrim a me ba me politics mu from 2008 2012 2016 me be free aban mu me nipa me de nokre eye adwuma ade a mentimi nya me nka se meye nya me betimi aye eno na me ka se meye me be ye o mampanyi me say but I menim and I say I want to improve the infrastructure of this country because infrastructure no never ma economy ni enti me say me man crofo lights me tunsio me ma nsio me man crofo nya nsupanom me si school adan me si ayaresabia me ye akwan ampanso me benya akwanya me yes an no mani na me kwa pro na say baby amekomia ahemfo no omobo mabaso eni aban se president Mahama yeda wase if you say kania ene yewo wona otweman ensuo a yewo wona uma yensupa enom school ya we see ye no eno ena ma yenkwada timiko school enti eyade a emma onya arehemu bi ewo mu se nyame ma wakwenya se bedi oman no so wo so ye okakra edeboan enti me de nya metimi aye na meka nya ya throw your manifesto mo big push any ade a ya trance ya dwen ho ya hwe bebia ebenya sika ene nya ebetimi asesa emra se na be ya enyoma betimi akoye eno ne de agu your manifesto no menya nipa to minti mekwa akodi ntro akase ne mintimi nye meka se meye enti emse eye gidie asem enti omo gimidi no gidie se ombeto amame na omo hwe me track record nso a me track record se me deliver eni omo ameka se meye Ghana wa kwenya a yebetimi epeja oman no but wo hwe bebia ye kona ase ya fa kwan a ede ye ekon ewrem enti o se yesan de Ghana ebesi kwan no so na yetimi ko ansa na me fi aban mu yetoto onyoma yie the Energy Sector Levy Act by the 3 billion Ghana cedis additional revenues, new revenues. I was here the chair energy sector debt. Ye juma on 2 new oil fields. And your mommy ye na Abraham ye mampenyi was with 1 oil field Jubilee. On kwana na ye juma aye nyeska on. Ma pencil ye juma on ENI any 10 field. Enti sika if we sa 2 new oil fields no ebeka Jubilee dia no eba Nana Akufo-Addo abreso. Ohwe sinking fund meja sika wo ho because na minim say omampanyin kofo ni Eurobond oje no na October of 2017 na osi etua and I'm say entwa ye say ebedru ho na sika ni ho a ebetua ebeptimi aha economy no enti meja sika wo mu enti Akufo-Addo aban bae abra sa debt no bae enom France sika no dituaka Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund made $270 million woman. And they be used as a vehicle for attracting investment into infrastructure. And then, a distributor says, "Sikano, a bin odiama na konta omodisi Pullman Hotel, a Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund, Sikana Mija or Hono. Stabilization Fund, Mija $300 million. It was stabilization fund. Senabeya, a torrential BCA, and I said BBC, I bet shock economy no. Yan kase afini eko sika. Sika da ho a ebetimi ayusu aso ano enti coronavirus yi by $300 million amijai no eho enom ko yi 1.2 billion e de so coronavirus ano enti e was say oye visionary enye enenko a na wo hwe enim if you say sa eman na edru bebia omo edru no omo ehwe dachi na omo de ye omo bibia enti me ye president no sa sika me ka cho yina anka me di media ye nyoma aban foforo ba mo de mo so mo kopem mo de so me hwe da chinti me de san nyoma no tutu ye and so we need visionary leaders and I think that I've been visionary enti ye say nyame na si hene nipa beto aba but nyame no ohu so sefata se odi o man no ho so no abeyi na man.
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama yebada wasipi say UTV and Despite Media yebo opunu mu no ogie efeso na oba maiba ofi no obedi nkomo enti begina adwuma wura no manam ye wuro say kwame Despite ani ni nua ede sofori sapon Father Dixon and afi Kennedy say sante o regional manager ana Roger Cotia oye ye penny a ono na ohwe yakwa abedi hu nsam so ene adwuma ye fo a wo Despite Media mu nyina ne Ghana fo nyina begina o manam eda sedama papa say ogie efew so ye hwe kwan say abatu yi beko na wiye no ye benya kwan so na san betena se bio na ya san di command from bebi abatu no susanso e ba kokodu bia nti ye beda wase bebre na ya we show all the best ya we show good luck e wo aba ye kokotu mu e biripa mu no ye be san ba onche na obedi nkom bio e ba wase bebre kwano chama me so amaye
yo kwamna me dase
to that's papa area de semama aha na ye de enkomo hwehwe ni nyina besi ye ne His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ena edin komo efa dwumedi ahodo bebri awaye ne party no ne campaign awaye ne afiaba ye beto no ho enti sade ya hyemobo no Despite Media decision time afiaba ye beto no de besi biara no ye be ma mati ni nyina na mahwe ni nyina na mahu ni nyina so timegina crew ni nyina na mutimi ombo mu nyina din Prince Obimpe Richard Cote Richard Cote ene wo maka ni nyina se utumi buaye ma ye de we bra mi din e de agya kwabena da mu nyina se ama mo ne hwe